Hello civil engineers, I welcome you all once again to this webinar series on civil engineering excellence. Escalation payment कहाँ एप्लीकेबल होता है, कब एप्लीकेबल होता है, उसका पेमेंट कैसे होता है, all these provisions we will be discussing in this video. What is escalation payment? See, normally as the price of material increases in the market and as we are provided with dearness allowance other things, so agency also need to be compensated for the work for the price rise taking in the place in the market. Now suppose you assume one client feels that I will not provide anything against escalation, and you calculate the amount and quote in the tender accordingly. So what agencies will do? They will be going on safer side and they will load the tender to a higher value because they have to anticipate what is the likely inflation in the market. But generally such tenders will come on the higher side. So in order to avoid this and for actual compensation, whatever market rise is taking place, accordingly government has made a provision under clause 10 for compensation against material, compensation against labor, compensation against petrol, oil, lubricants, and a provision has been made. This is called the escalation payment. And while we prepare the estimate, client will prepare estimate, a provision of 5% to 7% based on our previous experience has already been made in the estimate. Now how do we pay about this escalation bills? So normally it should be paid along with the RA bill every month. But होता क्या है फ्रेंड्स, जो इंडाइसेस गवर्नमेंट के यहाँ से पब्लिश होती हैं वो टाइम से नहीं आ पाती हैं. सो एज अ प्रैक्टिस what we do, every quarter we pay the escalation bill to the agency. Now there are three categories. Earlier there used to be only two categories, but now there are three categories. One is 10C, one is 10CA, one is 10CC. So what has been done, 10C is against any government rule or any statutory rules coming into the force after the award of the contract. And because of that implementation of that rule, suppose price of material, price of labor, anything is increasing, so agency has to be compensated according to that whatever increase. But this is covered under clause 10C. And material category में क्या हुआ है, पहले there was only clause 10CC in force. Now there are two clauses, one 10CA and one 10CC. So one 10CA covers for the price rise of the material, certain materials which have been shown in the schedule F में आपको देखेंगे तो schedule F में आपको डालना पड़ता है कौन से मटेरियल पे 10CA will be applicable and wherever 10CC applicable. So you see the provisions of your contract and accordingly you have to prepare the escalation bills. Now how do we prepare escalation bill? It is based on the index, price index. Price index कौन सी होती है आपकी? इकोनॉमिक एडवाइजर ऑफ इंडिया, मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ कॉमर्स से आपकी जो कमोडिटीज़ की और इसकी जो इंडेक्सेस रिलीज होती हैं उसके हिसाब से आपको कॉम्पनसेट इसको करना पड़ता है. सो अलग अलग उसका बिल बनता है और क्वार्टरली बेसिस पे आप बना के और उसको आप रिलीज कर सकते हैं. अब इसमें एक पॉइंट आपको नोट करना है कि देयर कैन बी ए डी एस्केलेशन ऑल्सो, दो चांसेस आर वेरी रेयर बट इट हैपन्स. आई रिमेंबर वन इंसिडेंट. I was executing a contract for road work, asphalting mainly. It was a value of around say 1.2 crore or something. It is in the year of 2016-17. So normally agency submits the bill and he will request you, sir, escalation bill आप release कर दीजिए. So this particular agency, he has not submitted the bill. When I asked him why don't you submit the bill, then he said, अरे सर जाने दीजिए, क्या मिलता है escalation में, छोड़ देते हैं ऐसे जाने दीजिए आपको, I don't want escalation. Then a bit doubt was raised why the person will leave the amount. Then I asked my assistants to calculate and prepare the escalation bill even though he is not applying. We were surprised to see there was a de-escalation to the tune of about say 20 to 25 lakhs or 30 lakhs, I don't remember the exact figure, in a work of say 110 lakhs. Because that time what happened, these prices of crude oil have come down drastically and this petroleum products, asphalt, bitumen, everything price was very low. So there was a de-escalation. So my suggestion to you people is that always prepare a escalation bill, whether it is contractor is requesting or not requesting, as per the provisions, if it is there, we must prepare escalation bill and pay through the agency. If he is getting something, fine. If there is a de-escalation and suppose you don't prepare the bill, then you are questionable. Tomorrow audit will question you. This I am talking purely in the government contract and private contracts. You should be careful in that. So this is all about how we should pay the escalation bill. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में दोस्तों हम लोग बात करेंगे वेरिएशन एंड डेविएशन के बारे में. तो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. थैंक यू.